how to scale your HVAC business effortlessly. Let me take you back to a challenging project I managed where I discovered the key principles of empowering HVAC business owners to maximize efficiency. It was during this intense experience that I realized many struggle with overlooked mistakes that stifle growth. Here are 3 critical mistakes to avoid. Neglecting training. Skipping continuous training for your team can hurt productivity and customer satisfaction. Ignoring data. Not using data analytics to track key performance metrics means missing out on improvement opportunities. Overlooking marketing. Relying solely on word of mouth can stifle growth. An effective marketing strategy is vital for attracting new customers. If you want to transform your business operations and achieve higher profits, start by addressing these mistakes today. Let's elevate your success together.